Hi friends, this is Joseph Thambi. I welcome you all for this spoken English class today. What I would like to explain to you in this video is there are some sentences which we come across in our daily conversation. For example, I have been to railway station. What's the meaning of this sentence? I went to railway station and came back. She has been to birthday party. What's the meaning of this sentence? She went to birthday party and came back. We have been to the playground. What's the meaning of this sentence? We went to the playground and came back. Let's see another kind of sentences. She has gone to the birthday party. She went to birthday party and still she was there. We have gone to Kakinada. We went to Kakinada and still we were there. He has gone to post office. He went to post office and still he was there. And this is the meaning of this kind of sentences. Thank you for watching, and if you like